Do you want some joke? Look at that. At the very top of this mountain in the peninsula, there's a prominent sign. And what does it say? Protected object. No photographing, no video, no drones. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. I must remember now that saying which was said by that conductor of that Odessa-Kishinev train when he said, "Come on, guys, you can't believe everything what's written." No, I'm not taking any pictures and I'm not taking any videos, of course. That's the protected thing, I see. Maybe it's some military object or something. Or maybe it is... Yeah, there's a flag on that house. I don't know what it is. It could simply be a summer residence for some deputy or minister or somebody, as local people call them. Well, I shouldn't say that. I'll get banned from YouTube. Local people have one word how they describe every political worker, like the parliament deputies or ministers or president or all that kind of politicians. They have one word which literally means something about person's sexual orientation, of course, which has nothing to do with it. But in Russian there is some bad word how you can say it, so that's how they call them. Well, first thing, I don't want to call any human being in such names, but second thing is I don't want to get banned from YouTube. So I will not say these words here. But maybe some of that guy has the place, because it doesn't look like an army base or submarine base or whatever. There is some... Can I get it? It doesn't... Okay. There is some... what do you call it? Place for a guard's house. But there, down there, is a place where you can jump in the water from, and that place looks more like a dacha, a place where some VIP person can spend their vacation rather than some military object. But yeah, that's the thing which shouldn't be photographed or filmed. So guys, you didn't see anything, did you? Well, actually I came here because it's too nice view not to make a picture of it. What do you think? How can you not make a picture of such a place? When it says prohibited and it looks as something that much ridiculous. You just have to take a picture of it.